Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to pay with a PayPal QR code. It's a quick and touch-free way to complete transactions. First, open the PayPal app on your smartphone. Look for the QR code icon, typically found in the top right corner of your screen, and tap it. Make sure your device's camera has the necessary permissions for the PayPal app to scan codes effectively. Once the QR code scanner is active, simply point your phone's camera at the merchant's unique QR code. This code might be on a display, a printed sign, or a receipt. The PayPal app will quickly recognize the code, linking your account to that specific transaction. This step ensures you are paying the correct recipient without needing to manually enter details. After scanning, the app will prompt you to enter the payment amount. Type in the precise total for your purchase. Next, choose your desired payment method, such as a linked bank account, debit card, or credit card, from the options available in your PayPal wallet. Always take a moment to review all the transaction details, including the amount and recipient, to ensure accuracy. With all details confirmed, tap the Send or Confirm button to complete your payment. You will receive an instant confirmation within the app, indicating that your transaction was successful. This method offers a secure and efficient way to pay. Remember to keep your PayPal app updated to access the latest features and ensure smooth functionality for all your QR code payments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.